Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Today we are going to delve into the art of organization. We're going to explore outlining, heading, sub-heading, bullet point to give a clear and concise information. Ever felt overwhelmed by technical documents that was a jumbled mess? Let's change that. Technical writing is more than just conveying information. Is the information accessible or understandable? A well-organized document, a well-organized writing can make a whole world of difference. A well-organized document is easier to understand. It helps the audience grasp key points quickly. A well-structured document is efficient to organize and revise. It saves time and it saves effort. Organization also demonstrates attention to details and professionalism, and it also proves your credibility as a writer. An outline provides, let me say, a framework for your document. A framework for your document. It also helps you organize your thoughts, your ideas into a logical sequence. Here is an example of an outline for a technical document. Headings and subheadings breaks your information into smaller or more digestible chunks. Use different headings such as H1, H2, H3 to indicate your hierarchy of information. It's very important to maintain consistency in your heading styles and formatting. Bullet points are good for listing items, steps, or key points. Don't overuse your bullet points. Not because I said use bullet points, you write this one, you add bullet point, you write one sentence, you add bullet point. It will make your work appear clustered and untidy. In creating a clear flow of information, use transition. For example, you say firstly, you use that to introduce what you want to say. Then you say next, or you say in addition, or you say finally. You understand? In conclusion. Such steps like that brings your work, like it makes your work smooth, and like it makes it so smooth and it makes it flow well. Understand? Finally, by following these guidelines, you can create a technical content that is easy to understand, that is professional and smooth flowing. Understand? Practice these guidelines daily, and I promise you that you have a clean, clear, and concise content for your audience. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment button. Till we see you next time. Bye.